Alright, so I'm getting to check out what year is this one. This one is 1628. It's a memorial piece, but it's definitely at least early to mid 1600s. It's a breech-loading swivel gun. Look at the size of this thing. Here's the cool thing, right? No shooting. I don't have powder. Oh no, they wired it. This would come out. So you pull this out. You'd actually have at least 2 to 3 next to you already loaded. You throw it in, slam it shut, pour your primer, get your slow match, boom. Nice. I love this.